Before we start writing TypeScript, let's make sure our development environment is ready. We need to install Node.js and npm, which is included with Node.js, and set up Visual Studio Code to write and run our TypeScript code smoothly. Let's start with Node.js, which is a runtime that allows us to run JavaScript and TypeScript outside the browser from command line. npm or Node Package Manager is included with Node.js and helps us manage dependencies like TypeScript and other libraries. To set up, head over to nodejs.org and download the LTS or long-term support version and install on your machine. You can pause here and resume once installer is finished. Once Node.js is installed, open your terminal, that is command prompt or terminal on Mac, and check the versions to confirm the installation. Now check if npm or Node Package Manager is installed by running npm-v. Good. Now that Node.js and npm are installed, let's set up Visual Studio Code, one of the most popular editors for TypeScript development. It's lightweight, fast, and comes with a built-in support for TypeScript. It also has a huge extension ecosystem that makes editing code a charm. So please head over to code.visualstudio.com, download the installer, and set up on your machine. You can resume the video when ready. And that's it. Your machine is now fully set up for TypeScript development. In the next video, we are going to set up TypeScript project and learn how to install and configure TypeScript. See you in the next one.